Hi everyone, my name is Kelsey Bigham and today I'm going to be rehydrating and incubating a quick culture of Serratia marcenscens, which is right here. So I have gone ahead and cleaned this surface with 10% bleach solution, washed my hands, and I'm clearly wearing my PPE. I have also taken off the metal cap on the top of this quick culture because that has proved to be challenging to me in the past while I'm recording, so I wanted to just go ahead and do it before the camera was on. So the first thing that I'm going to do is open up my sterile pipette. Okay, and I'm going to hold this with my dominant hand. Now I'm going to take my tryptic soy broth tube, flame the mouth of that. I don't know if you can see this. Here's the key. So I'm flaming the mouth of this, inserting my sterile pipette. I'm pulling up about 1 milliliter of this tryptic soy broth. Okay, perfect. Now I'm flaming the mouth again before putting the lid back on. Okay, now I'm going to put the lid on, and without setting the pipette down, I will place the tryptic soy broth in my tube rack. Now I am removing the rubber stopper on the Serratia marcenscens, okay, and I am inserting the sterile pipette and placing the contents of the pipette in there. Now I let the tryptic soy broth that I just put into this quick culture kind of sit for 30 seconds so it can rehydrate. Now I'll go ahead and replace that rubber cap and wait those 30 seconds. Okay, so it's been about 30 seconds. So now I'm going to remove that rubber stopper cap again, insert the tip of my pipette, and kind of swirl around the quick culture itself with the tryptic soy broth so I can have enough to draw up a sample. Okay, so now I'm going to draw up the contents of the quick culture into my sterile pipette. Okay, so I'm done with this guy. So once I'm cleaning up everything in here, then I'm going to place this into a 10% bleach solution to soak for 24 hours before disposing of it. So I'm just going to set that here for now so y'all can see it. Okay, now I'm picking up my tryptic soy broth tube again, and I am flaming the mouth of the tube. Now I can insert the tip of this pipette, empty the contents out carefully. Okay. Now I'm going to flame the mouth of the tube once more. Now when I place this cap on, I've tightened it all the way, and I'm going to unscrew it just a little bit so that it has some access to oxygen while it is incubating over the next 24 hours. So now that I am done with all of that, I am placing my pipette in my isopropyl alcohol, which you can kind of see here. Okay, so that's going to sit there for at least 30 minutes before I dispose of that. I'll blow out the candle, clean up my surface and everything, and I will be back in 24 hours to check on the growth of Serratia marcenscens in my tryptic soy broth. Thanks so much, guys.